In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in Microsoft Edge. Creating a separate profile is a simple way to keep your browsing organized, whether you want a clean space for work, a dedicated personal setup, or a testing environment that doesn't mix with your main history and bookmarks. First, launch Microsoft Edge. Once it's open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the profile icon. Depending on how your browser is set up, this icon might appear as a generic silhouette, your initials, or a custom photo. If you're not sure you're clicking the right spot, hover your mouse and you should see a label for profiles. When the profile menu opens, choose the option to set up a new personal profile. If you're preparing a profile tied to an organization, select Other Profiles, then choose the option to set up a work or school profile. Picking the right type here helps keep your browsing data and sign-ins logically separated, which is especially helpful if you use different accounts for different contexts. After you make that selection, Edge will open a brand new browser window dedicated to the profile you're creating. In this window, you'll be given two ways to get started. The first option is Sign in to sync data. Choose this if you want to connect an existing Microsoft account so your history and bookmarks can stay in sync across your devices. This is ideal if you move between a desktop and a laptop, or if you like having your familiar browsing environment follow you. Syncing helps maintain continuity and can make setup faster since your data comes with you. The second option is Start without your data. This creates a local profile without signing into a Microsoft account. It's a good choice if you want a profile that's intentionally separate and stays on this device only. This can be useful for troubleshooting, for a temporary or guest-like space, or whenever you prefer not to link browsing activity to an online account. Just keep in mind that, because it's local, history and bookmarks won't carry over to other devices. Once you pick the option that fits your needs, Edge completes the profile setup, and you're ready to browse in that new, dedicated space. Your data for this profile stays contained within its own window, helping reduce distractions and overlap with your other profiles. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and tailored to the way you work and browse.